Are you looking to boost your website's visibility? Let's dive into the world of SEO. Search engine optimization helps your site rank higher on search engines. Enhancing your online presence is crucial for success. Different belief systems have diverse views on creation. Similarly, SEO strategies vary for different websites. Optimize your website to attract more organic traffic. Implementing SEO tactics can improve your site's performance. Understanding keywords and algorithms is essential for SEO success. SEO involves optimizing content, meta tags, and images. Backlinks play a vital role in SEO. Quality content is key to SEO success. Stay updated with the latest SEO trends. SEO can help your website stand out from the competition. It's important to have a user-friendly website design. SEO requires time and patience for results. Visual elements are crucial for SEO, such as images and videos. Utilize social media to boost your SEO efforts. Keywords research is fundamental for SEO. SEO is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. Metadata optimization can improve your site's visibility. Link building is essential for SEO success. Mobile optimization is crucial for SEO rankings. Utilize Google Analytics to track your website's performance. Stay relevant with fresh and informative content. SEO can help drive more traffic to your website. Understand the basics of on-page and off-page SEO. SEO can impact your website's ranking on search engines. Consistent blogging can boost your SEO efforts. Utilize alt text for images to improve SEO. SEO is a combination of art and science. Engage with your audience through SEO-friendly content. Understand the importance of site speed for SEO. Monitor your website's SEO performance regularly. SEO can help your website attract the right audience. Utilize header tags to improve SEO. Incorporate SEO best practices into your website design. SEO is an investment in your website's future. Stay consistent with your SEO efforts for long-term success. Experiment with different SEO strategies to find what works best for you.